Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform format functions on your data in Power Query Editor. So as you can see on the screen, I have opened the Power Query Editor with a sample data, which is the customer data table here. I have certain columns under the customer data table, that is customer ID, customer name, phone number, join date, sales amount, and remarks. So I'm going to show you each of these format functions on different columns. So how to access your format functions on the Power Query Editor? You can go to the transform option here on the Power Query Editor ribbon, and you can go to format functions. So format function, I'll show you one by one what each functions can do on your data set. So let me choose one column called customer name. So the first format function is the lowercase. So basically this tries to convert all my data into lowercase characters. So here you can see my data here on the customer name column is not in a proper format, right? So when I click on lowercase, this just converts into all the characters as lowercase, right? So in the same way, you can also try to do the uppercase. So I'll select the same column name and I will give uppercase as the option here. So if I choose the uppercase, the same data set in the column gets changed to all characters as uppercase. So earlier John Smith, the first customer here, was in the lowercase. This gets converted into the uppercase. So next I'm going to show you some other format functions in different columns. Let me now consider the phone number. So in the phone number column, you have the format, and on the phone number, you can do the trim. So how to trim? So you can see here that I have certain white spaces in front of my data here. So I basically don't want this kind of white spaces. So what I do is I want to clean up this data. So I select this column and give format as trim. So if I give trim, you can see that it immediately gets converted to a string, and all this data which was having white spaces gets removed. So this is about the trim function. The next function is also somewhat related to trim, that's called clean. So in clean, basically what happens is that sometimes your data might have some special characters. So in case you have special characters in your data, please try to use the format function clean and clean up your data from that particular column. So the next option for format function is the capitalize each word. So how to capitalize each word? Let me go back to the customer name. So in the customer name here, I have all my data here in the uppercase here. So because I had all changed into the uppercase characters, so I now want this to be as capitalize each word. So what does that mean? So each of these row here, which has got the customer name, will be converted to capitalize each word. That is, each word of this name will be converted where the first character will be converted as capital and the rest of the characters will be as the small case. So let me show you how that is done. So select the customer name and go to the format function and choose capitalize each word. So when that is done, you can see this particular column data is all converted to capitalize each word. So the first character of each of the word is made in the capital. So this is about capitalize each word. Next, I'm going to show you the last two format functions, that is add prefix and add suffix. So it is straightforward. Let me take the remarks column. So in the remarks column, I have certain characters here. So basically, I want to clean up this because it's not looking in a proper format. Like it doesn't, some of them are in small case, some of them are in uppercase. So I use the format function and I keep it as, let me say, lowercase. So everything gets converted into lowercase here. And now I'm good to add the prefix and suffix. I'm going to show you how to add prefix and suffix. So select the remarks column and select add prefix. So I will add a meaningful name to the prefix. So this will be the comments and hyphen. This is my prefix, and this keyword gets added to each and every row of my data. Similarly, I'm going to add suffix, and I'm going to give end of comments. So this becomes end of comments, and this will be the suffix keyword which will be added to each row of my data. So if you want to preview it, just select that row, and you can see here my suffix and prefix keyword is added to the column. So yeah, so in this way you can very cleanly and neatly order your columns and make it in a proper format. That is the reason these functions are called as formatting functions. So this is about format functions. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.